To add a cinematic burst in Premiere Pro, first of all, we have to create a new item. So from project panel, click on this new item and here select adjustment layer and just add or create an adjustment layer, and then drag and drop the adjustment layer above your video footage, and you have to increase the adjustment layer. You have to make equal of the video. Now select the adjustment layer and here select effects, and in this effect search box type here crop and just add the crop effect in the adjustment layer. Now go to effect controls and here we can see the crop effect. In here, first of all, let's add a cinematic blur at the top. So select the top and here give the value of cinematic blur. I'm typing here 10%, and as you can see a black blur added. And now select top and giving the same value for bottom. And now here we can see I've successfully added a cinematic black burst on my video.